In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Connection and Sharing. Now select Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher. Then click on the back button, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In this case, HP one. When your service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!